Hello, today you're looking at a New York blower, exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. This has been fully tested, checked out, great working condition. We'll get that running for you in a second. This is wired for 230 to 480, is a 3 horsepower motor, is 3-phase as well. RPM is 1,602. Overall dimensions, 44 inches length, 39 inches width, 36 inches high. And we'll get that going for you right now. Quiet running unit. Forgot to mention the inlet is 20 inches diameter, outlet is 13.5 inches by 20 inches. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.